Today I'm here to show you how we use milk powder to make sweet jave or milk jave or jave kheer. What you'll need is milk powder. This is skimmed, so we also need ghee, 1 cup jave, vanilla extract, cardamom, cinnamon, and canned. I will be using karai to cook, but you can cook in any deep vessel. Here is tuna trying to steal the jave. Here I am bribing tuna. He leaves my food alone. To make the jave, I will use 1.5 liters of water, and as per the instructions, I'll use 1 teaspoon of milk powder per every 100 ml of water. So I'll use 15 teaspoons of milk powder to make the milk. I'm gonna homogenize it in the mixer, but you can do it with the whisk also. It's just faster in a mixer, it takes 2 seconds. I have prepared my milk mixture, and now I'll add a teaspoon of ghee to my vessel so that the milk doesn't stick, because this is skimmed milk powder. You just want to let it melt. Now that it's melted, I'll add the milk mixture. I have prepared 1 liter here, so now I will go and prepare half a liter more to add. Now you can leave the mixture on simmer, and we're gonna get into the masala mix. I will use our Ceylon cinnamon. I will grind the spices in a spice grinder, but you can also use whole spices. Just remember to remove them before putting jave in. I will also peel cardamom and put the seeds in the spice grinder. Once that is done, I'm going to grind the spices and sieve them so that there are no chunky pieces. I will add the spice mixture to the milk. You basically want it to infuse in the milk, so you can slow boil it for a while if you want most extraction. Now we just want to let it boil on medium heat until the milk starts to boil. Mix it once in a while. Don't leave it unattended. Make sure it doesn't boil out. I like to add vanilla extract, which is optional, but whenever I add it, people do like the sweets better. At this point I decided to add raisins, but that's also optional. Now that the milk has finally boiled, I will add the 1 cup of java. I'll mix it and I'll let it keep boiling. After some time of boiling, just a few minutes, I'll add 3/4 cup of canned, but you can add more, you can add less, it depends on your preference. You can also use refined sugar if you want. I'm using desi corn because that's what we use and that's what we sell. Now we have basically added everything and you just want to let it boil until the java is fully cooked. You can take one piece and see the texture. You'll know whether it's done or not. And yeah, boil it as long as you want. You may want thicker java, you may want runnier java, that is your preference. Just remember to keep mixing it so that it doesn't stick. You can see here I also prepared tea with milk powder. The milk powder is very versatile. You can use it in most preparations, except I would not advise drinking it directly, or you probably can't make paneer or curd from it, though we haven't tested. Here you can see this is the texture of java that we prefer, not too runny, not too thick. Remember, once you switch it off, it's gonna keep thickening. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it and you know a little more about cooking with milk powder.